Good evening. In this Python course, the third concept, last class I have explained Python operators. Today I would like to explain Python has two identity operators. Those are is and is not. These operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects to check whether they refer to the same object or not. So the is operator returns true if the two operands refer to the same object. Otherwise, and false otherwise. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, z is equal to x is y. Why? So we are assigning x value for the z, but immediately you are asking x is y, it is false. If you say x is z, it returns true. So if you run this one, so let me check practicals on this memory locations of these identity operators. If you see here, so if you declare x is equal to 3, so if you need to type Python, we are going to this is called interactive mode. X is equal to 3, and if you type x value, it will print 3. ID of x, that means location of the object. This is called a memory location, where it's stored in the memory structure. If you type of x means what type of it is variable, whether it is integer or float like character, etc. So same thing I am explaining here. So if you declare x is equal to 1, 2, 3, that means x contains a list of items 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then you are supplying z is equal to x. So x value 1, 2, 3 we are assigning to the z. Then immediately you are asking x is y. So is an identity operator. So both operands refer to the same object. Then we can call it as is working. Otherwise, it returns false. That's why x is y. So x is different and y is different. That's why false. Then x is z. See, x location is same, now z location is same. That's why it is written true. Same example I am going to execute in this. See, now I am reading this x value identity operator. So here, so in this one, if you want to clear this console, import os dot system of cls. You need to clear the screen. So here I am using x value is 1, 2, 3. Now type x, it will print. Next immediately y is equal to same thing. So if you are referring 1, 2, 3. So immediately if you say y is equal to same thing. Now z is equal to x I am saying. Now you are asking the question, x is, if you want to ask the question like this, x is y. Simply the question x is y. If you ask like that, it will throw false. If you ask x is z, it is written true. So that's why identity operators are working properly until unless two operands refer to the same object, it returns true, otherwise false. So that's why Python has two important identity operators. Next, see the same case, is not. Is not operand, how true if the two operands do not refer to the same object, and false otherwise. Take example, a is equal to hello, b is equal to world. A is not B if you are saying yes, because A contains hello, B contains world. How come A is not B? Yes, true. If you say C is equal to A is not C, then false. See, same example. I am going to execute right now. I am declaring A is equal to allow. So, see, I am declaring A is equal to hello. If you declare, see, import os dot system of cls. So now x is equal to or A is equal to double quotes begin hello. So then then B is equal to world, hello world. So then immediately if you say like this, so A is not B. So true. Okay. If you assign A is equal to C, sorry, C you haven't declared, na? So if you say C is equal to A, so C is equal to A, C is equal to A. If you assign like this, if you ask C is not, okay, C is not A. See, it is saying false. That's why the is not operator is working properly. So now you can see the location of A. What is the location of A? Can you see the A location? This one. Then ID of B location. Then ID of C location. See, which operator having same location? A and C having same location. That's why, okay, is not is working properly. A is not B, it true. If you say C is not A, it is false. So likewise, we are executing identity operators. Okay, then we are going to see few examples of operators. Functions. Function is a set of rules to perform specific task. Functions are block of code. We can reuse and again in the same classes. Now I am declaring name is a variable equal to Dr. Asadi. If you declare my function name is a greet, def space greet of name colon, then you need to enter one tab space, return hello plus name. Name is Dr. Asadi. Then you are calling greet name. Then it will print Dr. Asadi. Hello Dr. Asadi. That is the output we are expecting. See here. Now I am going to execute this program. Okay. So name is equal to Dr. Asadi. This is a declaration of say name equal to Dr. Asadi. I am declaring. So import os. Okay, os dot system of cls. I am clearing the screen. Okay, cls. Then I am declaring name is equal to name Dr. Asadi. Okay, then immediately what is the next function I am doing? So I am declaring the function called def. Okay, I am declaring function here. So here one tab space you need to use. Okay, so then you need to type this one. Okay, return. So return, here you need to write. Then I am calling the function. What is my function? So greet name. So greet name I am executing. Here I am calling the function. See now, this is the output. This is the output I am getting. Hello Dr. Asadi. Whenever you are calling the function, you need to here the output you can call it as output. So here you need to this one. This is called output of our program. So like this functions program we are executing. Okay. So with this one, then conditional statements, if, elif and else if you see conditional statements, x is equal 10, I am assigning 10 value to the x, then if x greater than 10, okay, so if condition is true, it will print greater value. Elif x exactly equal to 10, then it will print equal, else print smaller. Very simple. See, now I am executing this program. Very simple. So I am declaring x is equal 10, x is equal to 10. So if you check the value of x10, then immediately what I am saying, then if x greater than 10, okay, I am printing this statement. So x greater than 10, so you need to use tab space, otherwise it will throw error, the print greater value. So immediately it will print a greater value. Okay, next I am calling next function elif, this one. So if you print like this, elif, there itself you need to use. So here you need to use so first function, if x is here, so next statement you need to use elif x is equal 10. Okay, let me check once again. Import os dot system of cls. So once again I am going to clarify you. So I am declaring x is equal to 10. You can check the x value 10. If x greater than 10, okay, so if x greater than, you need to declare like this. If x greater than colon, you need to print x greater than colon, then you need to print like this. So print greet, okay, then you need to print like this. Next tab space, elif, next statement, here it is saying that elif x, so it is saying control V. So here, so you need to use C. So likewise, we need to execute this program. Likewise, so it is printing smaller value. Okay, so with this one I am closing the that operation. Okay, 1 second.